Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 54 Avenue Road. This spacious 3-bedroom mid-terrace property is on the market with no chain involved, and it has fantastic views across the park to the front aspect. Okay, and then internally we have the hallway here, which leads to both reception rooms, the stairs going up to the first floor, and a good size built-in understairs storage cupboard as well. So then into the first reception room here at the front of the property, where we have this lovely bay window overlooking Heath Park. And moving through to the second really good sized reception room. We have a double glazed sash style window here, feature fire surround, and some built-in cupboards in the corner there. And then moving through to the kitchen area. Which has an integrated cooker and 4-ring induction hob. And we also have a ground floor shower room with fully tiled corner shower cubicle, WC, and wash basin with cupboard below and a mirror just above there as well. Okay, and here we are on the first floor landing. So we have 3 bedrooms, another shower room, and there's also a good sized storage cupboard just there, and the loft access point is located in that cupboard. And we've got the first bedroom, really lovely size, and again you've got those views here. Across the park, really stunning views, and a really good sized bedroom. Which has another feature fire surround. There's also a built-in cupboard in the corner. And then moving through to the second bedroom. So we have a double glazed sash style window here to the rear aspect. A pretty good sized room, nice high ceilings. And then we have the third bedroom here at the end, where we have the cupboard housing the boiler, another sash style window. And the shower room. Corner shower cubicle, this one having a mixer shower, and then wash basin with cupboard below and WC. Okay, then moving outside into the rear garden, and we have a blue brick pathway leading down to the main garden area, a couple of old outbuildings. And then a nice long garden, some mature trees. And that concludes the online viewing. So if you would like to arrange a physical viewing, then please just contact the office as soon as you can. And we'll talk to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.